Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video for Windows PC. And today I'm going to show you how you can easily download Cisco Packet Tracer and also install it. So without further ado, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Chrome browser or any browser will do. Now here on top just search Cisco Packet Tracer download. Just click here, and here you can see on the first search option on Cisco Networking Academy. Just click that option, and now this it will bring you to this page. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you can see getting started with the Cisco Packet Tracer. Just click this review course here, and now all you have to do is just click this skills for all here, and it will bring you to another page. And this is their official website that you can download from. Now after clicking that, it will bring you to this page. You can select any language you want to change. You can change it to other language, but I'm gonna stay with English, and just click get started here. And as you can see, you have to make an account here. You have to make an account here. If you already have an account, just log in. But if you don't have any account, just click here to the sign up option. As you can see, you have to create an account. This is very easy. Just select your country name, your birthday, and just continue here. But I already have an account, so I will log on to my account. Just click the login option here, and as you can see, this will bring me to my pages. And here, if you already click that option, just click here the resume course. And here it will bring you to this page. This is the course, and here on the page just search for the download option, and this is the download option. Download Cisco Packet Tracer. Click that link here. Just click this link here, and after clicking this link, wait a few seconds, and scroll down a little bit, and here you can see the Cisco Packet Tracer files, the other operating system like Mac and Ubuntu, but I will download Windows. Just click this option here for Windows. After clicking this, as you can see, my download is already started, and it will already automatically started to your Windows PC. But I already download this file, so I'm not going to download it again. So let me go to the downloaded file option. Here is my Cisco Packet Tracer, and all I have to do is just install it, and double click here and click yes here, and just click the accept agreement. You can read this license option, it's up to you, and just click next here. And you can also change the file but by clicking the browse option, but I'm gonna set it as a default one. Just click next here, and again click next here, and select this option again, and click next here, and just select install, and it will start it to being installation. And just wait a couple of minutes. It will take a few minutes to install it on your PC. Just wait for a bit. As you guys can see, my installation process is finished. Just click this finish option here, and just click OK, yes here, and it will start your Cisco Packet Tracer. And as you can see, this is the interface of our Cisco Packet Tracer, and just click allow access here. After opening your software, you will see this option. As you guys know, I downloaded it from Skill for all option. So to verify my account, I need to click this option. Just click here, and it will bring you to the web browser, and you can see you have successfully logged in to your Cisco Packet Tracer. And you may close this tab, and I can close this, and you can see this is my Cisco Packet Tracer, and I can use this for the networking simulation and all the other thing that you want to do in this Cisco Packet Tracer. And this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.